5 seconds. Start. The present government's decision to withdraw high value currency notes from circulation was a bolt from the blue. The time consuming process to print new notes and replace scrapped ones, coupled with a cap on daily cash withdrawals, created panic among 24 crores bank account holders. Most rushed and stood in queues before banks to exchange their old currency notes and get daily quota of cash. The Supreme Court, being the panacea of all ills, several public interest litigations were filed challenging the validity of demonetization. The SC decided to focus on ameliorating the harassment faced by common people forced to stand in queues for hours by the government's decision to demonetize without warning. On Friday, an SC bench headed by the Chief Justice of India surprised many by its grim assessment of the possible fallout of July being forced to stand for hours in frustratingly long queues. There could be riots, it said, if a bench headed by CJI T.S. Thakur, who has 22 years of experience as a judge of constitutional courts, fears so it could be true. For judges have deep insight into the psychology of common people who throng the courts in search of justice.